Sasol Limited price prediction and technical analysis based on price action trading strategies or investing strategies. And here we are. What do we see on the monthly chart? On the monthly chart, it's quite evident that the market is in a very strong downward trend or a downward trajectory. And just based on this trend or these trend lines, it tells us that for the most part, the market is likely to continue moving further down, and at least to, I believe, around this level over here, which is the 1937 level. It's actually the previous all-time low. It's a very important level, as it's also a very strong level of support. As much as the market is in a downward trend, I expect price to potentially bounce off of this level, right? Just to restart, and possibly we may see a reversal of sorts where the market may potentially give us a double bottom, as you guys can see. However, before looking for any buy opportunities, I would first wait for the market to actually break to the upside of this trend line. Let me just actually add one properly, right? I would wait for price to break to the upside of this trend line over here before buying, and again for the market to give us, right, higher highs and higher lows, right? Higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, and that would be confirmation that we would be in an upward trending market again, right? So that is it really in as far as my analysis goes. At this point in time, I'm just going to wait for the market to move all the way to around here, to just reset and complete also this structure over here. Remember, we had this head and shoulders pattern where this area is the left shoulder, here's the right shoulder, and this is the head. The structure started here more or less, and we want to ideally see the market move all the way down to there to complete that structure, that head and shoulders pattern, right? And again, as I said, the next thing would be to wait for the market to actually close above, or rather break this trend line to the upside, and for it to give us higher highs and higher lows, right? And that would be confirmation that we would be in an uptrend, and that's when I would look for potential buy opportunities, right? And my first take profit should be around, maybe around here somewhere. Why do I say this level? That is because in the future we may see price actually move all the way down to here, as I said, right? Bounce off of this level over here, and then potentially move all the way to there, right? Which ties in with how we have this trend line over here, and we have a first rejection here, a second rejection here, and in the future we may get a third rejection here. So this would be, just based on the current price action, a good area to look for potential withdrawals, right? And again, I'm just speculating, and I'm just showing you what may happen in as far as Sasol is concerned. And yeah, it's still early days. The analysis may change, but so far, just looking at the current price action, I want to see price move further down to that level, and at this level again is where we will evaluate and see what steps to take next.